Indian Independence Act 1947. This was the last law made by the British Parliament for India. This was an important act by which a new era started in India. This act was actually the Mountbatten Plan. British Prime Minister Clement Attlee introduced this bill in the House of Commons on 15th July 1947 and in the House of Lords on 16th of July 1947. It was passed by the British Parliament on 18th of July 1947. The main provisions of this act were as follows. By this act, the British Raj in India was ended and India became independent on 15th August 1947. It divided India and created two separate dominions, India and Pakistan. Pakistan was created by separating Balochistan, Northwest Frontier Province, West Punjab, Sindh and East Bengal from India. By this act, the post of Viceroy was abolished and in its place the Governor General in both the countries was to be appointed by the British Crown on the advice of the cabinets of both the dominions. The British government had no control over the Governor General. The Constituent Assembly of both the countries were given the right to make a constitution or adopt the constitution of any country. The Constituent Assembly had the right to abolish any British law by making a law. Constituent assemblies were given the right to form a legislative assembly or parliament for their areas till the constitution is made. After 15th August 1947, no law of British Parliament shall apply to both countries until both countries make a law to obey such law. The post of Secretary of India was abolished and all its powers were given to the Secretary of the Commonwealth. From 15th August 1947, the agreements made by the British Crown with all the Indian princely states were terminated and they were given freedom to join either of the countries or remain independent. Tribal area agreements were also terminated. Provisions was made to run the government of the provinces under the Government of India Act 1935 till a new constitution was made. Although both the dominions could amend this law as needed, the Governor General of India and the governors of the provinces were declared as the constitutional heads of the state. The word Emperor of India dropped from the royal titles of the British Crown. The Indian Army will be divided into both the dominions by the Governor General. The right of the Secretary of India to make appointments to the civil services was terminated. Civil servants appointed before 15th August 1947 will continue to get the same facilities as before. A boundary commission was constituted under the chairmanship of the Sir Cyril Ratcliffe to determine the boundary between the two dominions. The first Governor General of independent India was Lord Louis Mountbatten and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister. The first Governor General of Pakistan was Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Liaquat Ali Khan became the first Prime Minister. Thank you.